Law enforcement is an ever-changing field where training and performance go hand in hand. TargetSolutions, the leader in training and operations management for public safety agencies, provides law enforcement with dynamic online courses featuring engaging, video-driven lessons on hot topic issues. With TargetSolutions, you can deliver, track, and report all types of training and compliance tasks. Whether you're learning on your own time, performing hands-on training exercises, or tracking attendance of roll call meetings, TargetSolutions offers cutting-edge technology to streamline the process. Advanced records management applications enable agencies to monitor members' training and ensure certifications are up to date. You'll be able to manage and track weapons qualifications, post-training requirements, policy reviews, patrol vehicle and equipment inspections, use of force training, FDO program tracking, and active shooter training. With TargetSolutions, you will improve your crew's performance and reduce liability. Contact us today to learn more about the only complete solution for law enforcement training and operations management.